Hello students, welcome again. This is chapter 2 Python revision tour 2 of class computer science class 12. Okay. Introduction. The purpose of this chapter is to brush up all the concepts learned in class 11. This chapter is going to help you recall and brush up concepts like strings, lists, tuples and dictionaries. As we know, these are the sequence data types. They store any elements or list of elements in a sequence, or they are stored in contiguous memory location, and each element has its own index number which starts from 0 and goes up to n, where n is the total number of objects stored in that data type or that sequence data type. First we will start learning strings in Python. As we know that a string is a sequence of characters which is enclosed between either single quotes or double quotes. For example, here we have given some examples that A equals to computer science. Here computer science, the word is given under single quotation mark, and again B equals to Python programming, it is given in double quotation mark. As per our requirements, we can use either single quotation mark or double quotation mark. There is no harm, there is no differences. Okay. Strings are stored as individual characters in contiguous memory location with two-way index. Okay, there are two-way index. So for example, we have created one string data type, a string variable, that is the name is already a name. Okay, and we stored the word Python. See, if it is stored in memory, then how it will be stored in memory. See, the word Python is stored in each separate memory in contiguous memory, and index number starts from 0, goes here then 1, 2, 3, 4 and up to 5. There are total number of 6 letters. Then here total number of 6, that is n equals to 6. We can say that n equals to 6, total number of letters is 6. So it goes up to n minus 1, that is 5. Here it is n minus 1. Okay. Every time it stores total number less than 1, because it starts from 0 and up to n minus 1, it completes the total number of letters, digits, or the objects, whatever. And see, in backward indexing, the last letter is given index number minus 1, then second last minus 2, then minus 3, then minus 4, minus 5 and minus 6. Okay, using both index number we can recall any character, any single character. Here we have given some example. To recall the letter P, we can use either name in a square bracket, we can give index number 0, or in a square bracket we can give the negative index number, that is minus 6. Similarly, we can access any of the letter. Okay. See, accessing string elements. Here we are giving some Python instructions, Python commands, Python statements, and what output it will display. We are going to see here. Okay. See, first of all, we have created one variable, that is name, and we have stored the word Python. If we give a print statement with the variable name, then it will display the word. And if we give a name 0 within a square bracket, we have given index number 0, then it will display the 0 locations letter, only one letter, that is P. We can use slice also. Here 1 to 4 we have given 1 to 4, then it will display YTH. How it is possible? See, 1 to 4. See, 1, the index number 1 is given to Y, and the index number 4 is given to 0, but it displays only the 3 letters YTH. YTH. Okay, it is correct, it is true, it is there is no error here, or there is no misspelled or mistakes here, it is okay. Because what happens here, we have given the first index number 1 and the last index number 4. It displays 1 less. Okay, it displays up to 1 less. We have given 4, up to 3 it will display. Then letter index number letter 1, 2 and 3, the 3 letters are given here. Again we have given the next command, that is print name 2 is 2. Okay, 2 and colon. Then it says that from 2 it display all the letters. Okay, from index number 2 all the letters it displays here, that is th, and we can see go back. Okay, from 2 it starts from th, and there is no ending position value, so all will be displayed, that is thy. Okay, see thy. Yeah. Now we have given name into 2 here, into the asterisk, the mark asterisk or multiplication, multiplication symbol, it does what it does, it does replication. Replication means repetition. It displays 2 times Python. Okay, whatever. We can use either plus symbol also. Plus symbol is known as concatenation operator, and we can join 2 strings using concatenation operator. Here it is displayed like this. Okay, understood. Some operations, string operations are given here. How do we traverse a string? Traverse means each and every individual elements how we can access. You see here, we have given some example program. Traversing a string, name equals to Python given. Using for loop, we can traverse each and every element. Print a, and we have given space. Separator is space here. So all the letters will be displayed here, and by giving spaces between them. Okay, we can give any symbol here. If we give dash here, then dash will be added to each and every letter, like this. You can use whatever you want. Now come updating a string, we can change value of a variable. How it is possible? By we can update, or we can change the value of a string by reassigning another value in it. Okay, see, name is stored as Python. We are changing here name equals to computer science with plus name. Plus name means the previous value is also being used here, and new sentences or new words are also being added here. Then when we print the variable name, it will display the computer science with Python, means whole thing. Okay, in Python we know we should know that item assignment is not supported. Means if we want to change any single letter or 2 letter within the string, it is not possible. We have to change the whole word, then only it is possible. Okay, it means that we cannot change any individual character of a string by assigning, as we know that strings are immutable types. Okay, we have learned in data types chapter that there are 2 types of data type, immutable and mutable. Immutable types, we cannot change any individual letter, individual character in place, and in mutable data types we can do the same thing. It is possible there. Lists are, as we know that lists are, list and dictionary are mutable data types, and rest of the others, say for example string, tuple, and others are all immutable data types. Now come some more operators here, string operators, as we already learned in the previous pages, that plus operator is concatenation operator, and what it does, it joins two different strings. Here we have used the word with the power and plus full, it will display the complete word of full. Here replication operator, that is asterisk. Okay, what it does, it repeats the string, given string up to the number given. Okay, here the word h, ha is given here, then it displays 3 times because the letter and the number 3 is given here. In and not in. In and not in is known as membership operator. Members, what it does, it checks the particular character or particular word or sub part in the given string, that it is available or not available. Say for example, we have given a in here. Yes, the letter a is available in here, so it is true. here Jap is in Japan. It is giving false because the letter J is here is small letter, and the word where we are checking that it is available there or not, that starts with capital letter, so it is false. Okay, if we given here if we have given here capital letter J, then it will be false. Okay, now comparison operators also there, greater than, less than, we can do all things. Comparison operator, here equality we are checking and not equality we are checking. Equality means if a single letter A is equals to A, double equal, we have to give, to check equality we have to give double equal. It is says true, and here ABC is not equals to ABC, it is equals to, and we are checking not equals, then it gives false. Now see here, it should be noted that strings are compared on the basis of lexicographical ordering as in dictionary. Okay, uppercase letters are considered smaller than the lowercase letters. Multiline string. Suppose if we want to store strings of more than one lines, then it is possible in Python language using triple quotes. Using triple quotes, we can create multiple lines string. See for see example here that we have used here multi-line string. Str equals to, we have given triple single quotation mark here, welcome to computers world, and the whole sentence is divided in 3 lines. And now we have given the print statement, print str, then what happens, it displays the output, welcome to computers world. Okay, the whole thing in 3 different lines. Okay, or we can use backslash also, backslash letter given in the keyboard, we can use that symbol also. We have to give backslash at each line, at end of each line, and we can use single quotation or double quotation mark. If we are not using three quotation mark, then using single quotation mark or the double quotation mark, we can use backslash to divide a single sentence or single line string into multi-line string. See here example again. We have given multi-line string str equals to welcome to. Here we have given single quotation mark, and see at last we have, at the end of that line, each line we have uses backslash. Give backslash and come to the next line, computers world, and at last you have to give the single quotation mark also. Okay, now we have given the print statement, the same output will come, as the previous one. String slices. String slices means we can extract some part of already existing strings, some part from already existing strings. It refers to part of a string containing some contiguous characters from the string, where strings are sliced using a range of indexes. Just whatever we want to extract or subpart from other string, then we have to give range of indexes numbers. See example here. Its syntax is like this. We have to give the string variable name here, and within square brackets we have to give n and m value. N is the starting index number, and between and m is the ending index number, and in between we have to give colon symbol. Okay, and these n and m must be integer type and legal index numbers. Okay, see example here. We have used examples string slices. We have taken a string here, str equals to hello world, and see we have given 5 different statements, print statements, and in each print statement we have displayed some part of the this string, hello world string. Okay, first we have given 610, then 6 and then colon only, then next colon and then 5 only, then colon 5 only, and again we have used as concatenation of 10 and 5 colon only, then we have used a double colon and then 2. Okay, what it does, first see the output, what it gives you the output here, where we use 6 10, 6 is to 10, then what happens, 6th position, from 6th position, what is the 6th position? We already know that its index number starts from 0, then for each letter it gives some index number, for H it gives 0, and then 1 2 3 4, then space is there, space is given one character. Okay, 5 and 6, the letter W starts at 6th position, and 10th position come to 10th position. Okay, 6 7 8 9 10, 10th position is the D, but it displays one less letter. Okay, so WORL, only up to WORL it displays. Now we have given next time from 6 you display all the letters. Okay, that's why it displays the world. Okay, now we have given up to 5. Here it means that up to 5 you display the whole characters starting from 0. Okay, now what happens here, up to 5 space is there, less 1 hello, the word hello is displayed here. Okay, now we have given here up to 5, we take part of the string up to 5, and then again from 5 you take all the remaining characters. Then what happens, it displays the whole sentence, whole word, okay, whole string. Now we have given, we can give also step also. See here we have given 2 column. These 2 columns says that take the whole string, and each from this string display only the even numbers letters, even index numbers letters. So the first one is displayed, then the next third one is displayed, then O is displayed, the W is displayed, the R is displayed, and D is displayed. It takes a step 2, means first letter, then note the second, skip the 2 letters, go to the second letter. Okay, that's why it displays this type of you can do it, you can practice it and see what happens by giving different numbers while doing the practice. Okay, then you can understand easily. Now come to some functions here, string functions. Python offers many built-in functions and methods for string manipulation. Okay, some examples are here we have given. See, one function is ORD, and within bracket we have to give some character. What happens, it takes a single character and returns corresponding ASCII value given. Actually what happens in computers, each and every alphabet letters or any symbol is given some code, and that code is known as ASCII code. And whatever the full form of ASCII is, or we already know that American Standard Code for Information Interchange. That code is defined for each and every letter, and for letter A is defined as 65. Here it is displayed. If you want to see the code for other letters, we have to give within functions, we have to give that letter, and then it will display the corresponding ASCII code for that character. Okay, using the ORD function. It is a CHR. Next function is the CHR function. CHR is just reverse of the ORD function. It displays the if we give the ASCII number, then it will display the particular character corresponding to that ASCII number. See example here. Now next is str.capitalize function is there. Whatever what it does, it changes the string and the first letter becomes the capital letter of each string. Okay, using the find we can find the index number of the character of the string, substring. Okay, is alnum means it returns true if the string contains alphabets and numbers. Is alpha function is there. It checks that the string contains alphabet characters or not. If it contains all the characters are alphabet, then it displays true function. Now other functions are also there. Is digit function is used to check that all the characters available in the string is digit or not. Then it will give you true. Is a space whatever, it checks the spaces are there. If it is a space, then it will display true. Is lower function what it does, it checks all the characters are in lowercase. Lowercase means small letters. All characters will be in small letter, that only it will give it true. The same here, uppercase letters, if it is, then it will display true. It is title function means if each word of the string and first letter of each word of the string is capital letter, then it will display true. Okay, now if we want to convert the string from capital letters string to lowercase letters, then this function is very much helpful. str.lower, it converts all the characters of the string in lowercase character. And same uppercase, if you want to make capital letters, then this function is very helpful. Upper function is very helpful, convert all characters in uppercase character. And str title, it converts all the first letter of all the words to capital. Okay, this is known as title case. We can count how many characters are there, how many symbols are there, or anything. Then count function can be used to count total number of characters available in the string. Some other important function are also there. It start with function is there. End is swap case, L strip, R strip. If you want to know about these functions, you just go through the book. Every function is explained very nicely in the book. You can see the book. Okay, see here some examples. We have given one example here to count the number of digits and characters in the function. Okay, see here the program to count digits and character. Okay, this is the program. We have taken an input enter a string. We have to give some string. Then there are two variables, and then for loop is given here too, and we have used the isDigit function here to count total number of digits. If the digit is not, then else part. In else was we are counting other characters. Okay, alphabet characters or the spaces. Now we are displaying these two. See the output of the program. Suppose when we run the program, it will ask you enter a string because we have given input function here. Now we have given the Ria got 87 marks. Then total digits it count to, because 8 and 7 only 2 digits are there, and rest are the characters. 15 characters are right, you can count, but include the spaces also. Okay. Now we have given some assignments here. You have to do it and check it in your computer. If there is any dot, you